Sai Ram students, this is your drawing period, and today I am going to teach you a different interesting drawing. So today's topic is 1 point perspective. So perspective means object which are nearer appear comparatively larger than object which are further. This is called perspective. Here the parallel trees are to meet at one vanishing point. On the screen you can see there the road nearer to you appear broad to thin at one point. So let us start how to draw it. 1 point perspective. Okay, this is vanishing point and all the lines meet in a 1 point. All the trees big to small, here also big to small, and meet in a 1 point. Okay, so I will teach you how to draw. Take a rub paper. Okay, draw margin, proper margin 1 centimeter. Okay, and draw a line. Upside you take 6 centimeter distance here. Upside 6 centimeter both the side, and draw a line with the scale. Okay, and take a midpoint. Take from there from that line you take 2 centimeter distance, and downside you take 1.5 distance, 1.5 centimeter. Okay, then take 3 centimeter from that point and take 5 centimeter from the third point. Okay, same side take a midline, midpoint. Okay, and all the take here also 5 centimeter both the side, 5 centimeter distance. Okay, all the lines 1.5 then 3 you meet in a 1.2. Then take here distance also 1.5 from downside, take 3 centimeter and then 5 centimeter here. Okay, and all the points meet in a 1 point. See, with the line, with the measuring scale you draw a like this lines. Okay, here also with the scale you draw all lines to 1 point. Okay, now take midpoint downside also and take there 1 centimeter distance from the midpoint. Here right side half centimeter and left side half centimeter, and all the points, all 2 points will meet in a 1 point. Okay, now the trees and others. Okay, with the eraser rub that lines, road lines, divider lines. Okay, After that, with the scale or without scale, draw a small vertical lines on that 1.5 lines. Okay, see here also draw vertical line. Nearer to that point, you draw a small gap. Now the horizontal lines with the scale or without the scale. Okay, big to small here. Now the road is ready now. After that, you draw a stem of trees. Okay, till that 2.2 centimeter point. Draw the horizontal line and draw a tree's stem nearer to you. It is big tree. Okay, and farther to you, comparatively small you draw. Okay, it is interesting drawing, children. You will like it, enjoying. Okay, both sides same. Here also you draw big tree first. Okay, second tree, comparatively small. You draw small to that point. Nearer to you, you draw broad stem and then thin. Okay, this is the branches and leaves. Okay, big to small, like this. Complete your drawing, both side also. Here also till the upside up line. Okay, now your drawing is ready. This line, in that branches line, you draw with eraser. Okay, little bushes you draw. It is also big to small. Okay, see like this. I have drawn their benches, small benches. You can draw. See like this. How to draw with scale or without scale. Small line you can draw, children, without scale. Okay. See the bench. Okay, now lines. Okay, now second bench, comparatively small. Keep in mind all the lines will meet in a one point. Okay, like this. See, after that you out CD marker or sketch pen. Okay, like this you keep complete. And now next, see, here I am complete it with cobalt blue. Okay, upside dark to light. Okay, in that point, to that point, dark to light. And road I am taking white and little black, and fill all the lines dark to light to that point. Okay, here also. And trees I am using here yellow, lemon yellow and middle yellow. Okay, and nearer to you, you dark, use dark color, green dark color. Okay, here ochre yellow, dark to light. And after that full picture will dry after that. And then you use crayons. So I am using here brown color crayons. So here also dark to light, both the side. Oil pastels you can use, you have at home any color, you can use that part. I am using 3 shades of green color to light. Nearer to you, you feel dark color. Okay, and middle green and light green, parrot green. Okay, see, like this complete all the trees. And stem also shading part. Here the grass or bushes I am showing you with the crayons, you can feel there. Take dark brown. Okay, and feel that part, trees part. Here also dark to light in that stem, one stem, dark to light. Now the second tree also, feel dark color, brown color for shading. Here so thin color, light color. Okay, now the black color and that road side I am using there, black, little black, light apply there. Okay, complete like this drawing. Okay, keep in mind in that nearer to you any object, you feel dark to light. Okay children, it is very simple but looking hard. Okay, once you draw, you will easy for you. It is okay. Little I use there black color for the nearer trees, and that benches violet color, any color you can feel there. Little ochre yellow I am using, that remaining parts. Here also. Half of the coloring you can fill with crayons. It is mixed media. Media means mixed medium. You can color all the parts with watercolor or mixed media. Half watercolor and half crayon colors. Okay, dark to light. Here also dark to light. Little darker. Okay, like this complete your drawing, children, and enjoy your 1 point perspective. It is different kind of drawing. You will enjoy while you are drawing. Okay, see how looking beautiful. Okay, now complete your drawing, enjoying. Okay.